Today is an exciting day, and I am so excited for you. My name is Adam, and my website is WPCrafter.com, and I teach non-techies how to use WordPress, how to build amazing online presences, how to build an amazing website to have greater impact through being online and being exposed to the world. And we have an exciting adventure to go through together right now on this video. It's going to be a long video, but it is going to be so worth your while. It's actually pretty crazy that I'm even doing this. So I have courses on my website. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the very same thing. I have over 12 courses on my website here, packed with valuable content, and these courses are helping people. But this video is not about my courses and me helping people. This video is about you having courses and you helping people with your very own website. I have put together the second version of my online learning management system website that I'm going to show you step by step how to have for yourself in this video. And I have got to say, this is the most beautiful template that I have ever put together, the most detailed video on exactly how to do it that I have ever put together. And this is why I'm excited for you. So before I show you the layout, I want to first tell you that I put together not one layout, but 3 homepage designs for you. I wanted a very stylish design, very much using all of the modern design trends, a more traditional design that has some feminine colors, and I also took that same design and put more masculine colors on it. But the best thing is through this video and what you're going to learn, you can make your site look however you want it to look. So without me continuing to ramble on, let me show you exactly what I have for you today. First, this is the homepage design. This is the more design-centric homepage design. Now, everything can be changed. Every image, all the text, using an easy-to-use front-end builder that just so happens to cost nothing. It's going to be free to you, and everything can be changed. And when you scroll down, I put so much effort into modern design elements here with using drop shadows, very stylish buttons. We have a beautiful testimonial area here. I know this is a corny image, but I just wanted to show this beautiful area with this different shape on the top and the bottom that you can use to talk about you and to tell people about you. Here's where we can highlight the different courses with a text image, and then it alternates right here and right here. Beautiful price grid right here, and then your final call to action right here at the bottom. So this is the more stylish design, and I'm going to show you step by step how to build this. But right here is the more traditional design right here, and this is the masculine version of it right there. So we have this big headline image with a button. Right here we have our 4 different columns with the features of what they can learn. We have a testimonial area here that looks so modern and stylish. Then we have a little highlight here of your courses, and if you have a membership, you can promote your membership right here on your home page as well. And finally, we have a bit of information on you, the course creator, and then some frequently asked questions right there. Here is that same homepage, but more feminine colors, and the color scheme's already chosen. But like I said, you can change these colors to whatever you want them to be after you learn how to use this page builder, which you're going to learn in this video. And so it's the same layout, but we have a different color scheme here that might appeal to a more branded, feminine audience. And so here's courses, the same thing, highlighting a membership here, and we have an area about you, frequently asked questions, and a final call to action at the bottom. So you're going to be able to use any of these page template designs. I already have it done for you, but I'm actually going to show you in this video step by step how to create that first high design style page template in this video. So there's more to this, of course. There's the learning experience for your students. So right here is the course catalog page. We only have this one course here, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to create courses in it. So we're going to learn all of that in this video. This is the course catalog page. Right here is the members dashboard, and if they're not logged in, they're going to be presented with this login screen right here. All the colors can be changed. Do not worry if you're a guy and you're like, I don't want these feminine colors on my website. Don't worry, because you're going to learn how to change it to suit exactly what you're doing, your branding, your colors, what your vision is. You're going to be able to make this at the end of this video look however you want it to look. Right here is the members dashboard when they are actually logged in, so they can see a list of the courses that they're enrolled in and then jump back in to where they left off. They've got a listing for their courses right here. They can edit their account information. There's a voucher system that I'll explain briefly in this video, order history, and then they can also, of course, sign out. Now, here is what a course page would look like. You can have this beautiful image here, or you can have a video telling them about the course. And then here is on the sidebar, you don't have to have this, but I have it there, a listing of all of the lessons and their course progress. And then as they scroll down, here's also a list of lessons that are broken down into different sections for your students. Now, here's the best part. A lot of effort went into creating a most beautiful lesson layout so your students can have the best, most premium learning experience on your website. Here is our lesson layout right here. We have this gorgeous large area here for you to put the main course content. This could be videos, it could be audio if you are using some third-party system to create interactive lessons with Flash or something like that. Anything that you want, you can embed in this area right here. And the best part is as well, this dark color in the background here, you're going to be able to make that any color that you want. So this could be a truly unique experience for your website and for your branding. Here is the lesson content right there, and your students will be able to click on this button, mark this lesson complete, and then go to the next lesson. And here again is that syllabus of lessons that they can jump back and forth on. So here, let's talk about how this video is going to work. I have put a lot of effort to be organized in this video, to be straight to the point in this video. Now, invariably, there's a chance I might miss something. If you head over to my website, I will have all the documentation there as well. And if there's anything I might leave out, I will definitely address it in there in a frequently asked questions section. There is a description area of this YouTube video that will have that link. Also in the description area of this video, I will have everything broken down by time code. So you're going to easily be able to jump back and forth in this video to make it easy if there's an area that you need to go over again. Now, the only cost to everything we're going to do in this video, you do need web hosting, and the only other cost is going to be your time, your effort, and your energy to put into this. And I'm excited for you. You don't need to go with one of those third-party systems where they're saying this is here and you got to pay $400 a month, or this right here, it's $1,200 a year, or this complicated solution over there is $500 a year. There's so many different learning systems that are these hosted solutions where you're kind of locked down into this rigid system that you can't really get looking the way that you want it to look. You can't get it to behave the way you want it to behave, and it's overpriced. And then you also can't control if it's some third-party website service, whether they go out of business or not and leave you and your students high and dry. This is a self-hosted WordPress website that you're going to be able to have on your web hosting account. Your customer data is going to be yours. When someone makes a payment, all that money goes to you, and everything you see right here is all going to be created very easily using a front-end based page builder that is so easy to use. You're going to be able to take this design and make it look exactly how you want it, not how I think you want it, but how you think you want it. And that's the problem with a lot of these hosted solutions. They give you and force you into a box of what they think you want, but now you're going to be able to have exactly what you want. And I don't want you to be intimidated at all during this process. This is something that you can do as long as you are willing to learn. And in this video, you're not going to find anyone explaining it in an easier, non-techie way. I understand that you want to make courses that you could sell. You're not wanting to make a website. You're not wanting to make a learning management system. You're wanting to make your content. And that's why I have made this process as easy as possible. Now, the way this video is going to work is first I'm going to show you how to order your web hosting account and your domain name. Then I'm going to show you how to set up WordPress. After that, I'm going to show you how to create these 3 home pages that I showed you. However, you don't have to do that if you don't want to. You can just install the templates and then just tweak things as you want. However, I would encourage you to go through it so you can see how easy it is to work with this page builder. I think you're going to be blown away at how easy it's going to be for you to get your website looking exactly how you want it to look, very stylish and modern and ready to convert prospective students into students in your course. Then after that, we're going to install this learning management system, which is also free. And I'm going to go through all the settings. And then after that, we're going to create a course. We're going to create a short 3-lesson course that you can give away for free, just so that you can see how easy it is to create a course. And I'm going to teach you everything. I'm not going to leave anything out. I'm going to teach you how to automatically send your students emails when they enroll in the course, when they complete lessons. I'm going to show you how to look at the analytics and see how your students are doing, how their progress is in the course. I'm going to show you how to collect payments for your course. I am going to show you how to create coupons for your course if you wanted to. I'm not going to leave any steps out in this video. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. All right, so now I want to tell you how this is all going to work, and this is actually how all my videos are going to be. I'm not going to be in them. However, if you look at any of my videos on my channel, I'm in every one, but this is a learning experience here, and I don't want to distract. I just want to show you all the content, but I wanted to just give you an explanation of how everything's going to work so you know what to expect. In the past, I would make this long 3-hour video, and it was always hard to find the spot of what you were looking for in the video. And so I'm doing things a little different for this video. Instead of having one video, I've broken it down into more bite-sized chunks, and I have them as separate videos on YouTube, and then I have them organized as a YouTube playlist. Now, the reason I wanted to explain this is because you might not be familiar with a YouTube playlist and what that is. So essentially, there are a few ways to get to this playlist. The first and easiest way is if you scroll down in this video right now, there's this option right here that says show more. Now, when you click on that, it's going to show some information for the video. And here is the link right here. It says watch the entire playlist. And when you click on this, even though it says my website address, it's going to take you there, but then it's going to bounce you straight back to YouTube into the playlist. So all you have to do is go ahead and click on that. And if I have any additional information for any of the videos, you'll see it in this show more area. This is also known as the video description box, and you can see it says description right here. So just go ahead and expand it right there. And sometimes I will put additional information in the comment area. There's the ability for me to pin a comment to the top, and you can go ahead and look there. I'll also put a link to the playlist right there. Now, also eventually I'll add to this description box, and I'll have time codes for the longer videos. That's where all the different parts of the video are listed out, and there's a time code, and you can just click on it and the video will just jump straight to that point in the video. And it might take me a little bit of time to get those in there, but I eventually will get those in there for every video in this series. Now, the other way to get to the playlist is just to go ahead and click on my name right here, and this will take you to the home for my channel here on on YouTube. This is what it's going to look like right here when you go to the home. All you have to do is click right here where it says playlists, and you're going to see all my playlists. Now, I'm actually going to organize a lot of these and clean them up, but it's right here, how to create an online course website with WordPress, and it's the 2017 version. Right here is the 2016 version. I should go ahead and change the name there. Now, when you click on this, it's going to take you to this page right here, and you could just click on the first video to start playing it. And when you do, it's going to look like this. You're going to have all the videos here on the right, and you can just scroll down and click to them. Now, here's the thing. I'm going to be adding to these videos, and they're just going to automatically show up in here. I thought this would be the easiest way to separate out this video series into more bite-sized chunks. So it's all these separate videos that you see here on the right side. Now also, if you prefer, you can watch it all on my website as well. I'll have a link to this page on my website. You can see it looks very similar. I have the video here, and here are a list of all the videos, and you can just click on it and it will start playing. One of the advantages, obviously, of watching on my website is when you scroll, you can see the video kind of shrinks into the side there, and you can scroll and start absorbing some of the other information there. Also, on my website, I'll be adding any additional technical notes and frequently asked questions and things like that, where it's not that easy to put it on YouTube. So you can come here and find it. I already have the frequently asked questions. I have links to everything and a bunch of information on this page. So it's up to you where you want to watch these videos. Also, for the products that I'm going to be using throughout this video course, I will have links to them all here on this page, and I will also have links to the support for those products. So a lot of times people will come to me with specific questions, and I'm more than happy to ask, but a lot of times those products have their own knowledge bases and their own list of support documents with those answers, and I'll have all the links to all those places here on this page right here. And you can also leave a comment for me on this page. I respond to all my comments here on my blog, and sometimes it's easier to process comments on my blog than it is on YouTube, but it's up to you. You can watch either place and you can leave comments at either place. So when I released the 2016 version of this, a lot of people were asking me, why am I doing this? Why am I giving this away for free? And honestly, I just got to tell you, it's kind of in my nature to give to people, to want to give to people. If you were to talk to anyone that I'm personal friends with, or any of my family members, my wife, anyone in my family, I'm just one of those giving type of people. And so that's part of the reason why I'm just essentially giving this to you. I could easily just take this and wrap it up into a course that's on my website and charge $100 or whatever for it, but I'm just going to give it away for free to you on YouTube because I really want to help people take their knowledge and abilities and impact other people with that. Also, I really believe that the more I give to people what they need, the more I will in turn get what I need in life, and that's just a guiding principle that's good for anyone. And lastly, if you're to maybe order the hosting that I recommend, or maybe get the pro version of the page builder that I talk about, I'll earn a small amount of money, which is nice as well. But if you want to thank me, here is how you can thank me. First, when you're on YouTube and you're here on the playlist, there's a share button here, and you can click on this, and it's going to give you a link that you can copy and you can use to share on all of your social media accounts. And I want to ask you, if you want to thank me, can you share this with people that you're connected with on Twitter, on Facebook, on LinkedIn? Just share this out with other people. That would really help me. If you're part of any Facebook groups, you might bump into me in a bunch of Facebook groups. I'm on Facebook. I'm in a ton of Facebook groups, and someone's talking about, hey, how do you have an online course and all that kind of stuff? If you could share this with them, it would help them and it would help me as well. Another thing that you could do to thank me is every video that you watch, go ahead and click this thumbs up button. That is what YouTube calls engagement, and it helps me, it helps the video, and it makes it so more people will get to see this video when YouTube sees this engagement. So for every single video, please click this I like this button, this thumbs up button. That also will help me out. Another thing you could do is engage in the video, and that would be to leave a comment in the comment section on the video. So when you scroll down on every video, there's a comment area right here. And what that does is it triggers YouTube to show my video to other people. When people are engaging in it, people are watching it all the way through, engaging, clicking that thumbs up, that tells YouTube to show this video to more people. And that is what YouTube will do if you do that in these videos. Lastly, if you really wanted to, you can come over to my website and there's a donate button there. I really don't get a lot of donations. I might get maybe $100 or $200 per month from various people that are very grateful for the help I've given them. I'm not saying go in and give me money if you wanted to. I know some people will want to, and hey, I appreciate that. You can come to my website and do that. If you don't have it, that is fine as well. That's why I just wanted to list out these ways that you can say thank you and they don't cost you anything. And that is to share the playlist on social media, to talk about it. If anyone brings up anything having to do with online courses, you say, hey, go check this guy out. He has it all dialed in. It's not going to cost you a thing. You're going to learn it all from A to Z. Nothing left out. Also, just make sure you give me those thumbs ups and engage in my videos. That is going to help me more than you know. So lastly, I want to tell you what to do next. First, I need you to subscribe to the YouTube channel right now. And the reason is because I'm going to be constantly adding content to this playlist. And if you're not subscribed, you're not going to be notified that new video content is added. And this is what I want you to do. I want you to click on the subscribe button. Now I'm logged into my channel, so I can't subscribe. However, I have another channel right here where I can demonstrate it. This is actually one of my older channels that I'm revitalizing, and it's going to be all about creating content. You actually might want to check this out as I start adding videos to it. But this is how I want you to subscribe to my channel, the WP Crafter channel. I'm not talking about subscribing to this one, but you can. So you're going to see this subscribe button. It's going to say WP Crafter, and you're going to see a subscribe button. I need you to click on it, and that is going to subscribe you. But that's not all. This little bell right here, I need you to click on that, and it's going to produce this pop-up, and I want you to click on this check mark that says send me all notifications for this channel, and then click on the save button. What that is going to do is tell YouTube that when I release a new video that you would like an email notification on that. And this is how I'm going to be able to keep in touch with you. This is how I'm going to be able to get new content out to you on the Course Creator video series. It's the only way you're going to know. Now, if you don't do this, you're going to kind of be left out when I release more videos on how to do more new things. I have a few videos planned that I'm going to end up creating that are just going to make your online course that much better, and you're not going to want to miss out on that awesome video content that I'm going to be adding to this playlist. Next, if you are in and you're going to go through this process and you are going to create an online course website, I need you to declare it right now. I want you to step out from the internet shadows and show yourself. I want you to leave a comment below telling me you are in and what kind of course you're going to create. Or you can tell me what is your biggest struggle with launching an online course. I want to hear from you. I want you to declare to yourself that you're going to do this, that you're going to start this process and finish this process and finally create the online course that you've had in your head for so long, but you didn't know practically how to start and how to get to the finish line. And that's what I'm going to help you to do. I'm going to help you start and finish this process. I'm going to stick with you every step of the way, but I need you to declare it. I need you to decide that you're going to do this. And so right now, I want you to say that you are in. I want you to leave a comment, say that you're in. I want to know what kind of course you want to create, or I want to know the biggest struggle that you are facing. I am so excited and privileged to be able to go on this journey with you. I look forward to getting to know your name and getting to know you. If you leave a comment, I'm going to reply. So I want you to raise your hand right now and say that you're in.